hack.
First things first, I recommend get a cheapy one of these. It's a little shaker. I think I got it for $6 on Amazon. If you're gonna do a lot of cooking or just cooking in general, I like to mix my spices in here and then you can shake it out over the meat. And then you're not constantly switching between garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and going back and forth. It's annoying to do that. So what you do is you just mix up your spices in here, and then you have a nice little spice mix that you just shake easily. Makes cooking quicker. That's my dad hack. Dad hack number 221.
For more dad hacks and recipes, visit dadgotthis.com. And why not subscribe to the YouTube channel? Won't kill you.